It's 2025. If you're still trying to grow online without an email list, you're falling behind 99% of creators. And I say that because I was one of them. I wasted years chasing algorithms on the wrong platforms, posting daily, burning out, staying invisible. I even got my account suspended several times. Then I discovered something stupid simple. A newsletter grows your revenues while you sleep. All you need is emails on your list, not followers, emails, people who you can contact directly, on your terms. Yes, that's not new, but I thought I needed to collect these emails from social media or platforms like Medium, and so I did. But I only got less than 60 subscribers for 12 months. The problem, I have a 9-to-5 job, so I don't have the time to engage like crazy to grow faster, which is what most platforms require. I was ready to quit that hustle, but I decided to give it one more shot on a new platform called Substack. Today, I grow 300 to 900 new subscribers each month, free, organic, engaged, and buying my stuff. And it takes me 15 minutes per day, no ads, no funnels, no fancy tools, just Substack notes and my custom GPT I trained to write viral notes. How? I post 3 to 10 notes per day, written in the viral format with my custom GPT. They're all emotional, thought-provoking, and inspirational, and they're all tiny value bombs. Some of them go viral and bring me hundreds of subscribers. Most of them are just highly engaging, which is even more beneficial because they are the engine that brought me thousands of subscribers so far with a free-to-paid conversion rate above 10%. If I can do it, trust me, you can too. I mapped my entire system into a free 10-day crash course, links in the description.